Hello and welcome to this amazing Hostinger coupon code video. In this video, I will reveal two of the finest coupon code through which you can get amazing discounts. So what you have to do is to make sure to click on the link in the description or link in the first comment of this video to get started. Once you click on exclusive coupon code link in the description of this video in the first comment, you will be led to a page like this where you can see an amazing Hostinger discount deal running right now, where you can save up to 75% off plus AI website builder. I will tell you step by step on how you can claim as much as up to 91% discount using this coupon code. So make sure to watch this video in full and follow the strategies which I'm going to tell you. The good thing is that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, which is one of the industry most popular platform to create a website, and that is recommending Hostinger. Now, in order to use the code, you have to select the plans. Now, Hostinger offers 3 plans, and you can use this coupon code on any of the plan. But I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough research before selecting for any plan. All of the plans give you amazing discount, but my recommendation is to do your research on all of these. The good thing about Hostinger is that in case if you're coming from another hosting company and use this special discount link which I have mentioned in the description of this video with a special coupon code, you are being covered with free website migration plus Hostinger. This is the Hostinger panel, control panel, also known with the name of hPanel, industry's finest, very easy. And this is the Hostinger AI agent, Cody. And if you scroll below, Hostinger also have local data centers all around the world, fastest speed, 24/7 support, and the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backups, unlimited SSL security certificates, Cloudflare protected name servers, and malware protection name server technology. And at this moment, 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as the primary hosting company. And I'm here with this special coupon code from your audience. So make sure to click on the link in the description and scroll above and select any of the plans. So once you're done with your research, you can simply select the choose plan with any plan to opt to get this coupon code discount. So once you select the choose plan, now you are going to move to the interesting part where you can apply this code to get an amazing discount on already running discount deal, and you also have to select your billing period. So wait a while it gets loaded. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description, guys. This is an exclusive discount link from your audience, so take the maximum discount possible. So over here you can see that this is a limited time deal for my audience. My recommendation is to opt for the 48 months, so you can grab the maximum discount, because this is a special coupon link, and this code link will not appear again. This discount prices will not appear again. These are exclusively for my audience, one time deal. So grab the maximum out of it. My recommendation of for the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money. And with this you are getting free domain plus 2 months free extra. And over here you can see right now it's 75%, but select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video or in the first comment of this video, along with the special discount link. Once you apply this coupon code, you can see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal through this code. Now there is another code as well which you can use. So you can use either of the code to get this amazing discount. So once you apply this code, you can see again that your price got a further discount. Now do your math over here. 75% plus 2 months extra free plus free domain, free setup, and extra 10%, making it as much as up to 91% off through this code. So after this, go with the continue. My recommendation again is to opt for the 48 months to grab the maximum discount. Now you may be asked to log in. You're gonna log in into the Gmail account. So I already had my account registered over here, which is why I need to synchronize it. So I just synchronized it, and now I'm waiting it for the last part. And you may see over here my order summary is over here, my code is applied. Now I have to write my billing details and simply select the continue over here. After applying over here, you may see over here that I can have to select my payment method. Now Hostinger offer a variety of payment methods. I can pay by PayPal, credit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGet. So you have a variety of payment methods to choose. So you can choose any as per your convenience, and within a few minutes you're going to get an email after paying with your hosting account details. And the best thing about Hostinger is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use right of the code to get this amazing discount. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.